Hello everyone. In this video we'll be discussing about the reduced syllabus of grade 12th ISC biology. I have taken the syllabus from ICSC official website. At the end of the video I'll also give you a link from where you can download the hard copy of the syllabus. Please watch the video carefully. I'll be discussing all the deleted portions from the chapter. Before starting the topic, I would request you to subscribe the channel if you like its content. We are working on the videos of grade 11th and 12th. Playlists are being made on the channel. You can go to the channel, see the content, and then you can subscribe if you like it. Every day video is being uploaded on the channel. Some important points. Specific portions have been deleted from inside of the chapters. It's not like that the unit has been deleted. They have deleted a very small portion from the syllabus. So please go through the syllabus very carefully. Second, I just want to add in here, as you people are going to prepare for various NEET exams and competitive exams, I won't suggest you people just leaving the content like this, because this deletion is only from board's point of view. It has not been deleted from any competitive exams. So if you are if you still want that, okay fine, these portions you don't want to stress on, it's up to you. But what I will suggest is, please go through the syllabus as a whole syllabus. Plus on our channel I'll be taking up the syllabus as per the original syllabus. We'll not be considering the deleted portions. I'll be covering everything. Now, grade 12th, there'll be two papers in ISC. Paper 1, theory, 3 hours, 70 marks. Paper 2, practical, 3 hours, 15 marks. Project work is there for 10 marks and practical file for 5 marks. Plus, we are going to discuss the paper 1 theory paper, 70 marks paper, the syllabus of that paper in this portion. There will be no overall choice in the paper. Candidates will be answering all the questions. Internal choice will be available only in 2 questions of 2 marks, 2 questions of 3 marks, and all the 3 questions of 5 marks. There will be internal choice in the paper. Then is the unit wise mark distribution. As we all know, there are 5 units in grade 12th: reproduction, genetics and evolution, biology and human welfare, biotechnology and its applications, ecology and environment. Reproduction carries 16 marks, genetics and evolution 15 marks, biology and human welfare 14 marks, biotechnology 10 marks, and eco and environment 15 marks. Ecology and environment will be of 15 marks. Total is 70. So no unit has been deleted. Please make it very clear. Moving to the syllabus. Now the first unit is reproduction. The highlighted portion in the slide are the deleted portions from your syllabus. I have taken the original syllabus and I have deleted, or you can say highlighted, the portions which are deleted in the reduced syllabus. If you want to take the whole hard copy, you can also save this video and watch it again and again and mark it in your syllabus. Or if you want to take a print of the hard copy, I have given the link in the last slide. Please watch the video till the last. So in reproduction, the events of sexual reproduction, the pre-fertilization events in plants have been deleted. The fertilization and different definitions, not the process of fertilization but different definitions, for example external, internal, post fertilization changes and parthenogenesis has been removed. Types of pollination, the different types of pollination has been deleted. Fruits to be classified into true and false fruits, internal structure of dicot, monocot seed, definitions of and differences of examples of albuminous and non-albuminous seeds, and significance of seed and fruit formation, significance of dispersal of seed has been removed in the reduced syllabus. Moving to the next portion, human reproduction, reproductive health, nothing has been deleted, it's all the same. Genetics and evolution, when we move to principle of inheritance and variations remain intact, nothing has been removed. Next portion, molecular basis of inheritance. Now in this, only RISE genome project, salient features and application, this small portion has been deleted from molecular basis of inheritance, otherwise everything is there. they have removed Lamarckism. They have kept Darwinism, but they have removed Lamarckism. Lederberg's replica planting experiment has been removed. Evolution of man, the three generation, the features of each of the ancestors and all has been removed. From human health and diseases, alcoholism and smoking has been reduced. It's just the drugs now. Again reiterating, this reduced syllabus is only for the children appearing in 2021 paper, not for the ones who are going to appear after 21. This syllabus is for the ones who are now in grade 12th. Fine, because after that the syllabus will remain the same. Next is your biotechnology. It remains the same. From ecology and environment, they have deleted the major biomes of India: tropical rainforest, deciduous forest, deserts and sea coast, etc. Morphology and physiology and behavior in response of loss of water and extremes of temperature in plants and animals, including humans. This has been removed. इसके बाद एक छोटा सा portion is there, Allen's rule, that is intact. वो है syllabus में. It's not removed. Next is from biodiversity and conservation. Nothing has been removed. Environmental issues. They have removed the agrochemical and their effects. They are talking about the pollution here, waste management, greenhouse effects and all. Deforestation is there. Definition of pollution and pollutants, environmental issues like air pollution and its control, major sources of gaseous and particulate pollution. Then greenhouse effect till ozone layer depletion has been removed. So please carefully see the highlighted portions. The portions which are highlighted have been removed in the reduced syllabus. Now you can get a hard copy of the reduced syllabus from www.cisce.org. If you visit this website, you will get a heading publications. Under the heading publications, when you click, you will get the reduced syllabus. If you go to grade 12th, under grade 12th, you will get a whole file of reduced syllabus. You can download it from there. And if you specifically want to see, you can again watch the video and see what all portions have been removed. Thank you so much for watching. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.